All right, today's Saturday, December 18th, 2021. It's gonna be another day of working on this bucket. Not really a whole lot planned today. Mainly we're gonna dedicate the day to fixing this rotisserie. Not too happy with these wheels. We had one break last weekend, and man, it could have caused a whole lot of problems, but we were able to get out of it pretty clean. I ordered some 6-inch wheels, and they showed up. A lot heavy, more heavy duty. So we're going to be swapping these wheels out. We're also going to be adding a brace in the middle for the middle section, come out about 4 feet, because this thing is kind of rickety when you really lay a car all the way on its side. So I'm going to be having this car sandblasted and all that, and that's the last thing I want, is the car to roll over. So kind of a brace sticking out the middle, detachable. I got the materials for that. And just going to kind of revamp it, probably cut these off and re-weld them, and spend a few hours on that. And then we're going to get this thing back on the rotisserie, flip it sideways, finish welding the braces underneath, and then I'm going to, probably before that, I'm going to gut this firewall completely. Kind of dark, you can't really see, but heater box, wiper motor, master cylinder, that's pretty much it. So not a whole lot going on today. I don't think we're going to start on the quarter panels. We might get one cut out maybe, but I'm not trying to rush that process. So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now. So just going to kind of get things ready for the crew and bring you guys back once we get some work. All right, here we are. About, what time is it? 6? 12 hours later. We got the braces done, the front floor pan done. So we only repaired or replaced whatever braces it needed. We got these back ones that are custom made. So it's all welded in. We did a little patch on the rocker. That just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And I patched the rear body mount. This one was fine. Still got to work on these right here, both of them. We found this, so we're going to figure something out for that. I found some hidden rust, correct. We do have a little bit of work up here on this rocker. I can't really see it, but there you go. Firewall's real good though. Got that gutted. We did work on the rotisserie. We got new wheels, and we got the extensions on it so it can't roll over. What you think, Bobby?
Good car, solid car.
It's getting there. I think from the from here back is going to sandblast really nice. I think we're going to have a little bit of questionable area on the floor pans, but I already have them right here. So we got those. So I think the plan is to finish up the floor and then flip it and start on the quarter panels. And then sandblast it. Maybe. But we got some good penetration over here. The braces. I don't know why they have so many holes on these floors, but just put some rattle can on there just to kind of help it out a little bit. That's it for this weekend. Next weekend is Christmas. Not sure what we're going to get done. We're going to try and get something done. I did get some seat bolts here. These are fine thread 5/16. That's about it. Anything you want to add, sir?
Yeah, shout out to my friend Pete. If you don't have $1 million, you still got to get it done.
Get it done the right way. Yeah, my friend Pete. If y'all don't watch him, you should go check him out. You can learn a lot from him. But I kind of fell in love with the rotisserie again, man. Like, felt kind of defeated last weekend the way it was acting. But with these new wheels, got these things on Amazon, 8 of them, for $20. Shipped to the house next day. So far, they're good. Anything you want to add, Bobby? No? I guess that's a wrap for this weekend. Bring you guys back next weekend.